Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Today is the 10th of April 2022. We are on our way back from Marsabit. Alhamdulillah, we are pleased to report to our Muslim brethren that yesterday was one of the greatest days in our lives. 140 members of the Redila community, 140 families of the Redila community took the Shahada yesterday, a whole village. And it was completely unbelievable. The amount of enthusiasm they showed, both in terms of their men, their women, and even the elders, was unbelievable. So we are now on our way back to Nairobi. Alhamdulillah, this is the beginning of the process of creating a Muslim community in that area. The Rendiles were previously Muslims, more than 400, 500 years ago. They lost their way and now they joined up with other non-Muslim communities, and Alhamdulillah they are coming back and they are reverting back in numbers. The place where they are is in the middle of the desert. They live among volcanic rocks, very harsh terrain, very hot sun. And our task right now is first of all to make sure that we provide da'is who will go there. It's not very easy because of the nature of the area. There is no water, there are no towns nearby, so it requires a lot of sacrifice. Alhamdulillah, we are trying to encourage our Muslim brothers and sisters to join us in this thing. If we can have da'is who will volunteer to go there, we are prepared at least to give them some subsidy, giving them some small amount of money for maintaining them there, but we require devoted people who can go and live amongst them and to give them the necessary religious information that they require. As I mentioned earlier, there is no water in the press. Water is being trekked either by trucks or it's being brought on donkeys and camels. And the nearest place is 60 kilometers away. We are in the process of bringing a borehole there. The surveys have been done, and the hydrogeological report confirmed that there is water at a depth between 300 and 400 meters. It's going to cost in the region of between 7 million to 8 million Kenya shillings, which is between 70,000 and 80,000 US dollars. We are seeking for support to drill the borehole, and any Muslim is welcome to contribute whatever they can.